So yeah guys, that happened. What is going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel guys, Jinjoto here, and since I stopped donating money, or did I? No I did, but I might donate in the future guys, alright? So for this video, I thought I'd drop some, okay, let me get closer to the mic here, right? Some knowledge on how to make a lot of money fast in AF and GTA Online, San Andreas, Horizon Roleplay. As you guys know, I stopped donating money, so I wanted to drop some knowledge on you guys on how you can do the same and earn a lot of money without, you know, counting on me to give you guys money, alright? First off, I don't care what kind of job you have, alright? You have to do /leave job and get rid of it. It doesn't matter what it is, guys, okay? You came here to follow my tutorial and to replicate all the steps that I do to get these earnings to the max, guys, alright? And I'd like to let you guys know before we go in alright on this, okay? I will drop 2 bonus ways on how to earn a lot of money at the end of the video, so stick around to get those 2, okay? Because I thought about those 2 as well. Alright, so once you left your job, you want to head over to this gun place right here. I don't know what it's called, you guys can see it on the screen. I even opened up the map for you guys, so you guys can get some more views on this place, so you can find it a little bit easier. And it is called the arms dealer, so you want to become an arms dealer, get this job. And to get info on this job, you guys can do /job help, and you know, scroll through, right? Looks good, doesn't it guys? Okay, you can craft the weapons and staff, you know, and the bigger your job level is, the better weapons you can craft, and that's even better, okay? So you can craft these weapons with mats, alright? But I don't want you guys to get too deep in here, okay? I don't want to get like too deep in here as well. So you guys, if you want some more information, just read all this, and job help, just next, and read all the information you guys have, right? Now, after you guys are done with that, I don't care what you guys are doing there. You might have been reading it, you might have been writing that down, you might have been making an essay on it. I don't really care, okay? You want to go over to the sweeper place and pick up a sweeper, which will, okay, I want you guys to take note of this, okay? Listen closely, give you $150 every minute of sweeping. It goes slow, but it earns cash, and it earns some serious cash. I mean, you do this for 1 hour, you get yourself $5,000 for 1 hour of sweeping. Now that is stonks, alright? Now, if you guys want this experience to get a little bit better with the sweeper, do /set radio, hit up your favorite radio, and hit up the get mats place /get mats place. Sorry if I triggered some of you. And then deposit them at the red dot. So after you get these mats, you want to deposit them in the red dot, and then rinse and repeat. Haha, alright. Okay, you guys got that? Now let me summarize how fire whatever I just said is, okay? Because I might have been talking too fast and you might have missed some information, so I want you to summarize that for you guys. I want to summarize this for you guys, okay? So you understand how fire this method is and how much money you can earn, alright? So you get the sweeper, you hit up the music, you start earning $150 per minute, and while all this is working for you, you drive around the town and collect materials, which then you can sell for a profit and earn millions of dollars while sweeping, listening to music, and selling maps. I mean, this method is screaming profit. Like, wow, it's screaming profit, alright? Like, don't talk to me. If you come up with anything better than this, well, I don't really know. Now let's move on to the bonuses, guys, alright? So the bonuses are, once you get yourself all these money from the mats and all these, the method, right? You go to the 4 dice casino and bet it. You bet all these money, alright? This is high risk, high reward. You might double your money or lose it all. This is for the risk takers. So if you're a risk taker, you gotta go for it. And now I know what you guys are thinking, okay, what's the second bonus? What else can he come up with? This is already amazing. What else could he put out here? Well, second bonus for making money is become a prostitute, like I did it one time, and it's hard times. So those are hard times, right? And what you need to do is, you need to be, I'm gonna do sucky for you guys, and you need to put the, you know, the requirements, $10,000 per minute of sucky, alright? Now you guys might be wondering why so high, because it has to be 10,000, alright? If it's less than 10,000, it means you're gay. You gotta put it more than 10,000, because that means you're no gay. You're just doing it for the money right there, okay? So guys, these were all the methods that I was sharing, alright? Do the method 1 and do the bonus. Oh god, I almost killed you guys there. Do the method 1 and do this bonus one, alright? These are the most profitable ones, and I mean, if you can do the second bonus if you want, that's all on you, man. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.